To access Find and Replace, click on the magnifying glass icon or press Ctrl-Alt-F. A pop-up menu will open with options to search in the source or target columns. To search in the source text, select Source column. The pop-up menu will move to the right to allow you to see the text in the source column. Enter the text you want to find in the Find field, and use the Previous and Next buttons to find occurrences one by one. To make your search case sensitive, select the Match Case option. To search in your translation, select Target column. Enter the text you want to replace in the Find field, and the replacement text in the Replace With field. To make your search case sensitive, select the Match Case option. Use the Previous and Next buttons to find occurrences one by one. Use the Replace button to replace the highlighted occurrence, or use Replace All to replace all occurrences with one click. The segments in which text was replaced will be marked as tentative. For more information, contact your focal point or visit the Luna Help page.